Greetings, esteemed dermatologists and medical doctors. I'm Rakia from All That and More Salon, and I'm excited to introduce you to our specialized services as a reliable supplier of medical wigs, cranial prostheses, and durable medical equipment. At All That and More Salon, we understand the importance of providing your patients with top quality solutions for hair loss due to medical conditions. That's why we offer a range of custom-made medical wigs, cranial prostheses, and durable medical equipment tailored to meet their unique needs. When clients and patients come in, we take measurements during their consultations and we create a custom molding of their head. This ensures that the wig or cranial prostheses we create not only fits based on measurements, but also perfectly matches the shape and size of their head, meeting the requirements for durable medical equipment. And as you can see, both of these clients have the same size head. However, this client head protrudes more out in the back, where this one is more flat. Additionally, we offer a diverse selection of colors and textures to choose from Afro kinky curly to European silky straight. We also provide a variety of shades in gray for clients who prefer a salt and pepper look, and catering to our elder clientele. This meticulous process with our range of colors, textures, allow us to provide our clients with the most comfortable, natural looking, and personalized solutions possible. We understand the importance of collaborating with medical professionals as yourselves to ensure the best care for patients. So, if you're seeking a reliable supplier for medical wigs, cranial prostheses, and durable medical equipment that prioritizes personalized care and attention to detail, look no further than All That and More Salon. Thank you for considering us, and we look forward to working with you. And if you'd like to help your patients book a consultation, you can give us a call at 678-663-5298. We also not only offer in-person consultations, but for patients who can't make it in, we also offer a telehealth virtual consultation as well, and they can book their appointment at allthatandmorehair.com. Well, thank you for considering All That and More Hair, where you look good and feel better, and where looking good is understood. Make it a great day ahead.